Hi, I'm Melissa, and this is the video I made for the conquest on the C.V.Zone after the bootcamp. We have to make a video for what about what we have learned. On Python and Streamlit, and we have to integrate a bot. I use Gemini 1 Flash 1.5. Like you can see, you can write in your own language. I know they work well in French and in English, but I don't know the limitation on the Gemini for the other language. So if we ask, tell me more about me, about you, they will ask me for programming or printing because, like you see, I'm also an artist painter. So if we go with the like his interest there, his programming. So yeah, and like you see, they have some response. Uh, we ask in French, parle-moi de toi. Whoop, like this, talk about you in French. Et voilà. So it's there. And like you see, I have my experience in qualification and my art skill. So my menu bar is there, my sidebar. You can hide. So if we go to the professional portfolio page, uh, like we see, I've made with my professional page there with Adobe and Illustrator and Svija. And I will go back later on that. And this is my professional setup. That this is what I use most every day. I made a pie graph. I think visually is more easy to see and read. So like you see, I use more of Python, equally HTML and CSS, JavaScript, and Illustrator and Svija. Some gallery pictures app made with Python Take Enter and with computer vision there. They have other one on the GitHub. After, if we go to my artist portfolio, uh, this website is made too with Adobe Illustrator and Svija. I have my artist setup and a graph. So inspiration, preparation, painting, new technique, and airbrush. This is some Canva I've made. Some like this one is sold. This is GIF I have made for my son, and I have a lot more, but I have put a little here. And if we go to the certificate page, see I have some certificate from a C.V.Zone, Kaggle, Udemy, and there are more to come. And after that, you see I have link there for one for my professional website in French. So this website is all made with Adobe Illustrator and Svija. You can go see my LinkedIn GitHub at Stack Overflow. This is my artist website made with Illustrator and Svija. So they have the own page there, my journey or story. I've made blacksmithing for over 24 years. This page is under working. You can see my workshop, the place I've made the magic, my painting, and you go back there, and the contact page. So this is for that. After that, you can see my LinkedIn page if you want. There. And my GitHub page. So I have more repository there, but some are private for me. So you can go there and see mobile phone detector, digital clock, password generator, the YouTube downloader, Victoria name, a cipher. Was a great challenge for some coding inside. Stack Overflow, the place I like to go for find answer to my question and to help some other people. Uh, it's very funny to go there. And my YouTube page with the first version of this video there, and it will be have more with the time after that. So, like I said, the bot is made with the Gemini Flash 1.5. In French, English, they go well. I don't know for other language. I don't try it with other language. So I hope you like this little video to see what I have done. Have great pleasure to do that. And like you can hear or see, English is not my native language. I'm a native French person. So I hope you like it and make a lot of vote for me. So have a nice day and see you soon.